Hello Bladers! New vehicles are now becoming affordable for first-time drivers. It is known in the Philippines that public transportation needs further improvement. Sadly, it is far from it happening anytime soon. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. In case you opt to get a new or used vehicle, here are 6 things every new driver should know. Learning the ropes on how to drive can be a little frustrating but exciting at the same time. I remember the first few times when I had to spin around the neighborhood with my father's white sedan while he was patiently teaching me how to drive. Heck yeah, I was so nervous at first and had a hard time in the proper timing of stepping on the clutch and simultaneously maintaining acceleration. There have been multiple jerks while I was at it. Yes, we've all been there. First times are always nerve-wracking, and you just got to keep your cool. If it's your first time driving without the guidance of your instructor, guardian, or without your parents, here are some tips you need to keep in mind for a safe journey on the road. Number 1, your car is your new partner. As we all embark on a new relationship, we need to first know a couple of things about our partner. Get to know your car, take time to learn how to use it. Learn what every button in your vehicle is used for, like the headlights, signal lights, radio, or even the wiper. Make sure to read your car manual on the get-go. Number 2, the street is always a war zone. Be attentive to all the surroundings. Properly observe traffic signs and keep on the lookout for other vehicles, motorists, and pedestrians. We all know that there are a lot of unruly drivers out there. Number 3, always keep calm and stay cool. Everyone at some point of their driving experience has made a mistake in the road. This is a test of your patience. We all know that it's not easy to keep your feelings in check when faced with an inconvenient situation. Nothing will come good when you lash out your anger in the road. Number 4, don't be distracted. This is a common problem with the society right now. Stop using your gadgets when driving. You may have passed your driving exam and received your license, but you got to remember that you're still new on the road. Number 5, practice. From the word itself, always hone your skills by driving more often. Driving in rough conditions and having an experience of it will make you get used to the feeling. Practice makes perfect. Number 6, seat belts please. Always buckle up and make sure everyone inside your vehicle does. Seat belts aren't made for nothing. It keeps you safe and minimizes injuries in case of an accident. Remember that you will eventually make mistakes. It happens to all of us, and don't be discouraged from driving. Experience is still the best teacher. Even those who have been driving all their life makes mistakes. Simply enjoy the experience and you will surely get the hang of it, and remember, safety first. Do you agree with our list of tips for first-time drivers? Or did we miss some of your suggestions? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.